To say that Amazon has been a nightmare in my area is an understatement, and that is why it is so important that you're able to multi-app and you have different apps that you can go on to make money. Today I was able to snag a nice Instacart promo. I have 4 batches to do for guaranteed $65 earnings, which I should be able to bang out within an hour or two, if that. It's just one item. I believe it's Tylenol. So that's gonna be back here. And I believe it is this right here. Heck yeah. And here we are, guys. Second one at Publix. We're gonna rock this one out. I believe it is 7 items, 13 units for $13 and 1 mile. So we'll only have 2 more after this and we'll have those guaranteed earnings. Another promo in the bag. All right, so we need 2 of these. Then 3 of these. Pasta pan, yep. We need a 2-piece of these. Alright, and then we need a fresh pico. Here's a guacamole with pico. So they have the spicy ones, but they don't have the mild fresh pico. So she's gonna go check in the back to see. We need 1 of these, and then we just have to go get a different salsa. Whoever wants 2 of these instead. And if you guys haven't tried this, it is fucking legendary with one of their rolls. Oh my god. Dip some bread in there, it's delicious. There we go. And we go to check out. And that's it. We got 2 orders down, and we just picked up an Amazon Flex block, 4.5 hours for $128. Had to jump on it. Those times have been pretty hard over here with Flex. Hopefully I could get these last 2 done before that. We're gonna have a pretty good day. And we are only 6 minutes from the drop-off location. Good morning, good morning. Well, guys, that is 2 in the books, baby. Oh, we just got another one come in, so let's see what that one's looking like. We just took an offer from Sam's Club Liquors, 2 items, and it's only going 3 miles. So this will be our 3rd. We'll have 1 more after this. Yeah. Sunday they don't open till 12. So how is this order gonna get done? Support on all the apps are really bad, but Instacart takes the cake every time. Instacart support is by far the worst. They're useless. They're gonna just drive you insane. If you have any issues, you're fucked. That's really why I don't do Instacart, except for when they have good promos. And also their metrics are abusive. How they're gonna give me a cancellation ding when they allow someone to order at 10:30 for a store that doesn't open till 12. But according to their records, the store's open. I was right in front of that store and you saw it. So that's Instacart for you. This is why I say use this as a way to get out. Start building something while you're fucking dealing with this nonsense, because this is not the end all be all. I use gig work. It gives me the time to work on all my projects and getting everything together so I can have other revenue streams and I can just not do this bullshit. These companies are fucking bad and they're getting worse. They're getting more abusive with their tactics. Now even Amazon Flex is trying to be like Veho. It's not the work, it's the abusive companies. Pay is getting lower and lower and they're expecting you to do much more. They have metric systems that keep you doing things that are going to be unprofitable to you. And you're just constantly getting dinged on this platform, that platform, that platform for things that are out of your control. It's very frustrating. These companies don't give a fuck. They don't give a fuck about the drivers. They don't give a fuck about the customers, nor do they give a fuck about the restaurants and stores. Do what's best for you always. Don't ever, ever do favors for these fucking $1 million companies that are trying to make even more money, taking money out of the pockets of the labor. All right, well, we're off to Publix. Let's try this again. We're trying to get number 3 in. We had a little hiccup on the last one, so we're gonna give it another go. Grab the iced tea, which is going to be right here. You need 2 sweetened. And 1 unsweet. All right, we need 2 of these. June 24th, June 24th. We just need these cookies and we are done. Heck yeah, let's go check out. That was a nice, easy shop. We are on to the delivery. It's only 2.2 miles. So we're gonna bang this out and we'll have only 1 left and we're gonna hit that bonus. All right, it says ring doorbell and leave on porch. Oh, that's cute. Good afternoon. I think it's afternoon, right? Here we go. Let's put the cookies up here. Oh, the dogs are so cute. Ooh, your boy got 1 more. We are now headed back to the same Publix. We just got another offer. We're just gonna finish this up and then go do our flex ride at 145. So I'm super stoked. We are back at Publix for this final shop and we're gonna get that bonus, baby. Happy Sunday, everyone. Excuse me, guys. 1 of these. For 2 of these. Need some Sweet Baby Rays. We need a mild buffalo and a buffalo barbecue. All right, we need some Pringles up in here, some cheddar cheese Pringles. That would be these right here. Sweet. Some Pepperidge Farm slider buns. Right up here. Sweet. Heck yeah. Last item is some Wow Bao pork dumplings. There it is. I see chicken dumplings. Oof, they might not have the pork. Replaced with the chicken dumplings, and we are done. Quick, easy shop. Now we're on our way, and we will be done with this Instacart promo with enough time to get to our Amazon Flex block and keep making that money. Let's go. Hello, hello, hello. Special delivery. There we go. Check us out over here. Little Instacarter over here. Triple D, huh? Ooh. Now, like I said, I'm off to the warehouse for Amazon Flex, 145 to 615, 4.5 hour route. A little bit nervous, but it pays well. 128 and some change. So I think we could bite the bullet on this one and really cap off this Sunday with a bang. That'll put us well over 300 for the day. So definitely a happy camper. So guys, thank you for joining me on this Instacart promo adventure on this beautiful Sunday. Another day, another route. Until next time, guys.